So this little guy just came walking up on me. Hey. Hey, buddy. Looks like he's a little forky. Hey. Yeah, he's a forky. Hey, bud. How are you? Why aren't you scared of me? Hey, buddy. Where's your mama? That's why, because you've been on this property for a long time, huh? Well, not more than 2 years, but as long as I've been here, you've been here. Hey, Bubba. Hey. 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 Yeah, he ain't coming. Man, he snuck right up behind me. Scared the piss out of me. Hi. Hi, baby. One of the joys of living out here. God, he's dark, too. It's in velvet. I love it when they're in velvet. Hi, baby. What are we going to call you? Can't call you Spike because you got a forking horn. Oh, look at him go. Getting on them blackberries. As you can see, I've been doing a bunch of clearing, unearthing more of the disaster that is my property. But slowly and steadily. Look at the trees though, aren't they beautiful? Oh, I just love it out here. I love it out here. Where are you going? You just gonna hang out for a little bit? Just chillax? Maybe drop a deuce? Who knows? Who knows what the day has in store? Well, it was nice seeing ya. I remember when you were just a little guy. Bye, buddy. Hey, can you get one more look? Oh, he says, nope, nope. I think his mom must be up on the hill. He keeps looking up on the hill. He's way away from mom now, though. They were twins, so he's 2. So we had a doe that was coming down on the other end of my property every morning around 5:30, 6. She made her entrance. She has a little trail, and she'd go and